Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to find and catch the sea crustaceans in Fish It. So this mythic bottom dweller can be tricky to hook if you don't know how the right depth or the specific bait it grabs. So the first thing that I want to tell you, I use the ghost fin rod to fish the sea crustacean, and for the baits I'm using the corab bait with a 220% luck, and then for the location I got it inside the ancient ruin. So if you don't know, the ancient ruin is inside the sacred temple. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can get the sea crustacean in Fish It. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.